Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing some sunny conditions out there this morning with temperatures on the cool side, but we'll be returning to more seasonable temperatures as we move over the next several days, as well as seeing high pressure take control of the forecast and keeping things quiet for the extended forecast here. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we can see just the edge of that low pressure circulation well off the coast, that along with the high pressure center to our west, keeping a bit of a pressure gradient locally over the area. So we'll see another slightly breezy day with a more northeasterly component to the wind as we move later in the day. But as you can see, high pressure will be dominating the eastern part of the country as we move through the coming days, and that's going to help keep things dry and quiet over the local area. If we look at current conditions this morning, we got clear skies out there with winds out of the northwest around 8 knots, temperature at 45 degrees. Relative humidity is at 79%. Take a look at our current visible satellite. We can see those clear skies across the area, and again, expecting that to prevail as we move over the next 24 hours. Maybe a few high clouds possible, possibly a few cumulus clouds, but really overall clear skies expected with plenty of sun as we move through the day today. If we look at the European model here, zoomed out, take a look at the big picture. That area low pressure tracking well away from the coast, and high pressure builds in over the region, and you'll see here keeping things very quiet over pretty much the entirety of the eastern part of the country, and that will allow temperatures to return to more seasonable to actually a couple degrees above average as we move through the next 3 to 5 days. So looking at good conditions moving through the weekend and into the beginning of next week. So if we look at our 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting green conditions over the next 24 hours, we'll see our high temperature reach around 68 degrees this afternoon. We'll see those winds generally out of the north becoming more northeasterly as we get into the evening time frame. We'll see a slightly breezy wind, 8 to 13 knots, gusting up to 18 knots this afternoon, and then we'll see those winds lightening up a bit as they turn more northeasterly, becoming fairly light through the overnight hours. That's going to allow temperatures to cool down to around 47 degrees. Right about average for this time of year as we get into the start of our day on Saturday. And as you can see for our terminal forecast, looking at clear skies across the area with just a chance of a few high clouds mainly through the local area today. Tides are running slightly above normal, and our weekend forecast will see another mostly sunny day for Saturday with just a slight breeze, and we'll see seasonable temperatures with a high around 69 degrees with green conditions for our weather risk. Seeing mostly clear to partly cloudy conditions Saturday night. We'll see a chance for some patchy fog as we approach sunrise with a low around 47 degrees. So just looking at a yellow risk for that chance for some reduced visibilities there in the morning. Otherwise seasonable. And we'll see mostly sunny and seasonable conditions on Sunday, looking very nice with a high of 71 degrees and no weather risk being tracked at this time. So that's going to conclude our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecasts. Enjoy your morning.